Hi there, students. The game is up. The game is up. Okay, this is an idiom. This means that somebody's dishonest plan or something dishonest that they're doing has been discovered and it's not going to be allowed to continue. I knew somebody had been stealing from the company. And finally, I caught them on one of the surveillance cameras. So their game was up. Yeah, the game is up. You can't continue to do it. This has been discovered. Yeah, you use this to tell somebody that their secret activities are known. You know it. Yeah. Okay, I caught the kids smoking, so I said to them, the game is up. I'm going to tell your parents. Not very nice of me. Okay, so the game is up. Somebody's scheme has been discovered. It's been thwarted. It's been stopped, and the trickery is at an end. Yeah. Yeah. They had been getting away with all sorts of unfair things until the teacher realized what was happening, and then the game was up. An illegal activity has been found out. Yeah. So the police knew that the robbery was going to take place, and when the thieves heard the police sirens, they knew that the game was up. Yeah, the trick had been exposed. The game was up. Yeah, for many years the cyclists had been taking anabolic steroids, but finally they caught him. The blood test revealed the presence of illegal substances, and the game was up. Yeah, the trickery had been discovered. Yeah. Okay, so yes, the game is up. You can't continue doing what you've been doing. Yeah. If the game is up, it usually means that something has failed, and a secret plan or a secret activity has been revealed. So they were using this trick to gain an advantage for many years, but now the game is up because people can see through them. I think formality, the game is up. I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Informal conversation, I think a semi-formal conversation, just about in a semi-formal writing, but no more than that. And the origin, well, this comes from the phrasal verb to be up. If something is up, it's finished. This is one of the meanings of the phrasal verb to be up. Our time is up, is finished. So the game is up, the game is finished, and that's the meaning of it. Okay, so the game is up. You can't continue doing your illegal, immoral, unfair things. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The game is up.